Welcome to Horkans. Let me tell you about one of the best plants that you can plant in your garden now for 12 months of colour. Heathers are easy to grow. They come in a range of different varieties with beautiful foliage colour. Heathers retain their leaf colour 12 months of the year, but more importantly, when they come into flower, they flower for months on months. Many of the easy to grow heathers flower through autumn, winter, spring and up until early summer. They come in a whole range of flowering colours, purples, whites, shades of pink. But when planting heathers, my advice is to plant them in groups of the same variety. Plant 3, 5 or 7 of the one variety to create this carpet effect. Heathers will grow on slopes, banks, underneath trees, or can be used to edge a bed to give that ground covering effect. Heathers will suppress the weeds, helping to make your garden low maintenance. Remember also, if you want some additional colour when planting heathers, or indeed if you've got heathers in your garden at the moment, my advice is to add some spring flowering bulbs. Bulbs like the beautiful snowdrops which come into flower in January, and they'll force themselves up through the heather, giving colour just above the top of the heathers in early January. You can follow that with some crocuses which flower in February and again give tremendous colours. This is a variety called Goldilocks, but here at Horkans we have them in many different colours and varieties, and again the crocuses will come up through the heathers. And finally you can plant some of the Narcissi family. We have a whole range again in here at Horkans. This is a two-tone variety. It offers both orange and yellow flowers in the one flower, and again the flowers will come just above the top of the heathers. So again, plant your bulbs like the heathers in clusters and in groups. Finally, if you've got heathers in the garden or if you're planting heathers, my advice is to feed them with the ericaceous feed. This is a feed from Westland. It's specifically designed for plants like heathers and rhododendrons and azaleas in your garden. After flowering, give the heathers a light trimming back and then feed them with the ericaceous feed every fortnight. That will encourage lots of new growth on which the heathers will flower next season. So remember, if you want a plant that's going to give you long-lasting colour both from the foliage and from the flowers, and also help to suppress weeds in your garden, I can highly recommend heathers. They're easy to grow, long flowering, and help you to have a low maintenance garden. Bye for now.